Understanding burns is crucial for effective first aid and medical treatment. Burns are classified into 3 primary degrees based on the severity of tissue damage. First-degree burns, also known as superficial burns, affect only the outer layer of the skin, the epidermis. These are the mildest form of burns, manifesting symptoms like redness, pain, and mild swelling. Common examples are sunburns and minor scalds. Healing typically occurs within a few days without scarring, and treatment includes cool compresses, aloe vera gel, or over-the-counter pain relievers. Moving to second-degree burns or partial thickness burns, these affect both the epidermis and part of the dermis underneath. They are more severe, with symptoms including blistering, severe pain, swelling, and redness. Healing may take several weeks and could leave scars. Treatment involves cooling the burn, applying antibiotic ointment, and covering it with a sterile dressing. Severe cases may require medical attention for debridement or skin grafting. Lastly, third-degree burns or full-thickness burns damage the entire thickness of the skin and extend into deeper tissues. These burns might display white or charred skin and can cause numbness due to nerve damage. Immediate medical attention is necessary as these burns can result in permanent tissue damage and scarring. Treatment typically includes wound care, skin grafting, and rehabilitation. For any burn that is large, deep, or affects sensitive areas, seeking medical attention is imperative to prevent complications and ensure optimal healing.